Okay guys, welcome to Royet, Thailand. Today I am at a Osel fruit market. This place is huge. Like, you could not walk around in here, it's that huge. Lots of stuff in here, lots of variety, and lots of garbage. It is very, very dirty, which is very unfortunate. If you're looking for this place, it's right across the road from Big C. There's another produce market just down the road as well that sells vegetables. This is just fruit here. I was here a couple of years ago when I was doing the tour of Isan for my main channel, Life in Thailand. And there wasn't much stuff here then. I didn't do a video. There wasn't enough to do a video on. But right now, there is lots. I hear a cat. Fish drying in the sun. I think the flies are and the hornets are a little upset about not being able to get to it. Lots of bananas, yeah? Thailand goes through mountains of bananas. You see just down there is another one selling bananas. There's the family. And over here, probably 3 vendors, at least maybe 4 vendors selling bananas. A little bit of good luck. Everybody needs some of that. What a cup. More bananas across the way. Look at all this. And these are all the little bananas, you know, like the size of a finger. At different stages of ripeness. Banana leaves. Way past their prime. They're used for cooking. You wrap a lot of different, in Thailand they wrap a lot of different food in banana leaves. Mostly for steaming. Lots of bananas here, but they got coconuts as well. Young coconuts, young green coconuts here, most popular. And the old, dried out, ready to plant that one. Look at that. Let's go take a look at him. See that? Ready to be a tree, that one. Oh, all of those are. Interesting. And right here in the bags is bamboo shoots, peeled and ready to cook, or maybe already cooked. I can't tell. This guy's buying pumpkins. There's their house.
What is your name?
My name is Paul. What is your name? He's got peanuts and sweet potatoes and apples. That's 55 kilos. It was 53 kilos. The basket weighs 3. So 50 kilos in a basket. It's quite nice over here. Clean too. At least the garbage is in garbage cans or baskets. This is ikama, very popular at a certain time of year, this one. You normally can buy it on the side of the road. Over here, pomelo, they're kind of small, really small actually. And sweaty. And pineapple. 4 for 100 baht. It's not cheap. Not cheap, but they're really nice. stacked upside down. That's different. It's got a baby. If you're wondering where the customers are, this is 9 o'clock in the morning. You gotta come to a place like this at 6 o'clock in the morning. That's when people are buying their truckloads of food to take to their restaurants or to their markets or wherever to resell. Lots of apples in this one. Apples and grapes I see there. This is mangoes. It's not mango season. And they don't look all that great. But don't see mangoes very often this time of year. This is September. Look at these little apples. Tiny little things, huh? Two kinds of grapes. Lots of apples over here. You see all these boxes? This is what fruit is transported in here. They just fill all the boxes up and then stack them on the trucks. Normally when you see this style box, it's imported. Probably from China, would be my guess. What do you think? This one has all Pomelo. And right now they're grading them by measuring every one. A lot. They're not looking all that great actually, but it is the season for Pomelo coming soon, if not already. This time of year you normally see truckloads of them. It's a bit early yet, I think. See the boxes? There's thousands of them here. Mangosteen. Some stink beans. These come from South Thailand. Expensive, but popular. My wife loves these. And here we got some coconuts. It's not the naked coconut because it's still got the shell on it. But it's a lot of work to get them to this point. You see they're all different prices, huh? $17 baht, $16 baht, $15 baht, and $13. No 14. And there's a coconut milkshake.
Coconut milkshake.
Yeah. Tell I.
25 บาท
Okay, can I get one? One? Morning. Good morning. Get the ice cream headache. This is really good actually. It tastes a lot like coconut ice cream. Pretty quiet here. This is whole peanuts. Boiled or steamed peanuts is very popular here. Like these haven't even been cleaned. They still got the field dirt on them. You see? But there's a lot of peanuts here. That's for sure. Look at all the barrels. Look at all the fermented food. Many different things. Some I know, some I don't. This is mango here. Macam, yeah? Tamarind, that one, yeah?
Bạc khám.
Macam, yeah? This is ikama and mangoes. I don't know the name of this one in any language, but they're very, very sour. Oh wow, that's a grapes. Yeah, those are very, very sour normally. Wow. What? Not my thing, but oh, phalang. Some guava. Hello. Green mangoes. Oh, coffee, yeah. These are the guava. Big one, actually. Quite big. Big, 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 big. Okay. I'm getting head on here. It's a bit of a surprise. Lots of stuff in here. Very small little shop. Lots of peanuts, different kinds of peanuts. Sweet potatoes. Ikama, big, big, big. Look at the size of those. I've never seen them like that before. Ever. And you got bags full of them, huh? All these feed bags are full. And sweet potatoes here. A couple of ladies working here. You're being very quiet now with the camera's on you. She said this is taro. This one here is taro. See the size of it? And she said these are just small ones. She's got a mountain of them. Lots of stuff in this one. All root vegetables, I think, yeah? Yeah, all root vegetables. Sweet potato, peanuts, ikama, and taro. These are nice looking sweet potatoes here, red skin. Okay, thank you, ladies. Bye bye. Another cat on a leash. Hello, kitty cat. How you doing? Caught this lady by surprise. A bit of variety in here, not so much wholesale. You can come and do your shopping here, buy 1 kilo or a little bit. Lots of stuff, different grapes, different apples. These are limes here, they're turning yellow and orange. Papaya. Ooh, that's a big one now. That's a big papaya. Some guava. Never seen them in individual bags. These are oranges. That's about as orange as they'll get. Those little apples, remember we saw those before. Dragon fruit is the pink one. And mangosteen. Don't see these kind of bananas very often. Close to the Chiquita ones you see in the grocery stores in most of the world. And lots of watermelon. I do believe this is a different vendor over here. Pomelo and some tiny pineapples. Oh, pomelo. See this? 3 tents. This is where they live. That's on the wall here. Bamboo shoots. Outside here is all watermelons. Different sizes, but majority of the watermelons you see in Thailand are this size. seems to be the one that grows the best, you know? They're the most popular. There's some bigger ones right here, but not many. And you see with the watermelons, they're normally laid out on a bed of straw or rice hulls. And this guy here, he's cooking. He was boiling water for his instant noodles. It's not really cooking, is it? Okay guys, that is it. A look at a large, at least in area, I probably drove 5 kilometers in here, Osel fruit market. Quite the place, that's for sure. Like I say, I was here 2 years ago to do a video, and there was hardly anything here then. It's going to depend on time of year and what's available, that's for sure. Alright guys, if you found this video interesting, give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, hit subscribe before you leave, and we'll see you on the next video.